How to delete all TikTok videos at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can delete all TikTok videos at once. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you wanted to delete a single video on TikTok, what you would need to do was you would have to open up TikTok and then you would need to come to your profile page. You would need to select a video that you would like to delete and then tap on the three dots from the bottom right, scroll down to the right hand side, tap on the option called delete and it will ask you to delete. But since this is too time consuming for you, instead what you can try to do is come to your profile page again, tap on the three lines from the top right hand side and then go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, go to account, and once you go to account, go to deactivate or delete account over here. When you go to deactivate or delete account, just tap on the delete account permanently. Now when you delete your account, your TikTok videos, all of it are also going to be deleted automatically. So you don't have to go ahead and delete them manually. And currently, this is the only way to delete all of your videos at once. So since you're trying to delete all videos, I'm also assuming that you no longer have use of that account. So instead, you can just try to delete your account because TikTok does not allow you to delete multiple videos at once. Hope this video answered your question. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.